You guys are the joke borrows. So right now, I am about to post a video right now, and the kind of video I'm posting is about taking care of the planet. So, so let me show you something. If it's the trash on the floor like this, you have to pick it up and put it in the right bin. But but if you do not put it in the right bin, you are going to destroy the planet. So so if you see any trash on the ground, you gotta pick it up. Then then if you put it in the right bin, the planet is going to be so clean and perfect. So but these are the boxes right here. In the bin, you gotta put it in that. So and this is a plastic right here. This is just something that's something else, I don't know. Using the plastic here. There's a box in plastic and glass and stuff. And these are plastic and plastic over there. And these are all types of books and papers that you write stuff and print stuff out. And these are all library bags and rooms and and this is the trash can right here. That you're just going to just put all the trash that you don't need anymore. Bye. Make sure you stay low and be nice. Peace.